Hi guys, this is Ms.Rose. I'm so happy to meet you again in Reading Practice Level 5. Reading is very important. Why reading is very important? Because the way I read is the way I speak. That means the way you read, it's gonna be the way you speak. Okay, you're gonna follow me reading, okay? Practice. The title today is about life in a soccer team. There are many professional soccer teams around the world. Let's learn about one of them. Chelsea is a famous soccer team from England. It is based in a stadium in London. The team is very competitive. They won their first English soccer championships in 1950s. The team players wear blue uniforms and their mascot is Stamford the Lion. John Terry, Frank Lampard, Didier Drogba, Peter Cech are famous athletes who ever played for Chelsea. A professional soccer team has very busy schedule. Chelsea competes in soccer games much of the year. Each season is about 9 months long, almost every week. Look at this, their schedule in October. How busy is Chelsea? Being a soccer player is definitely hard work. The athletes must work better and better, and it's very important if they want to win. Chelsea plays against other teams. The teams also travel to other team stadiums to play. The players need to practice a lot so they can improve. They need to eat healthy food too. Eating healthy food keeps their body and mind strong. Okay, now you read again, you practice again. After that, you answer the questions by fill the gap. Okay, that's all for today. Don't forget to practice and record your voice. That's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.